Hi, welcome to Scuba. This is a Scubapro MK17 G260 Regulator. Fully balanced regulator is a diaphragm first stage and a fully balanced second stage. If we have a look at the MK17 first stage, fully cold water rated, it's obviously great for temperatures below 10 degrees, but is very comfortable in use any temperature above that as well, so we're using warm water. Got 4 low pressure ports, 2 on either side, and then 2 high pressure ports, 1 on either side, so loads of flexibility for hose routing. You've also got the extra high pressure port if you've got a wireless transmitter. It's a balanced diaphragm design, so the balancing is going to give you very good performance regardless of depth and also regardless of cylinder pressure as well, so then you get that performance drop as you would with an unbalanced regulator. Comes in the DIN 300 bar fitting that you can see here, but also in the 232 bar A-clamp version as well. And just as an extra cold water function, we've got some sort of heat exchanger fins on the main body, which helps dissipate that cold as it builds up. Joined by a standard rubber hose, standard length for a primary second stage, and then you've got hose protectors both ends just to give it that extra strength in those high stress areas. And the G260 second stage is new. It's got a retro style look, but is made using all modern techniques and materials. So lightweight, strong materials, but with this nice retro style. Big purge button on the front, very, very easy to push. A slightly larger diaphragm to give that extra response that it needs. On the side, we've got a couple of controls. The steel one is a inhalation control, so you can actually wind it in to increase the resistance required to open the valve. So if you want to make it slightly harder, if you need to wind it down slightly, you can obviously wind it in and it will give that extra little resistance on the spring, so you have to breathe in a little bit harder. Obviously for best performance, wind it all the way out and you get optimal flow. And on top, you've got venturi control as well, which basically controls the way that air moves inside. So it's basically switching between a safety mode in its pre-dive and a dive mode. And it's basically forcing air back towards the diaphragm. So if it does free flow, it will help force itself shut. And then obviously the dive mode, maximum flow to the mouthpiece. Mouthpiece itself has been given an updated look, uses much softer silicone, so it's more comfortable. It's also been given a longer bite, so it feels more comfortable in the jaw as well. Don't get as much jaw fatigue. The bubble deflector, the exhaust deflector, is a nice compact size, is pointed out at the top, so it helps deflect as far to the side of the face as much as possible without causing any excess drag. So nice, relatively lightweight second stage, combined with the very high performance balanced first stage. It's the MK17 G260.